Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The gold-dollar pair gained 1.2% in the last session after rising as much as 1.6% during the session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound gained 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie rose 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
London markets were closed for a holiday, but European stocks rose in the first session of the new month in tandem with U.S. stocks, which are also off to a strong start in May. S&P Dow Jones Indices has launched its first 3 cryptocurrency indices, one each for Bitcoin and Ether, as well as a mega-cap combo of the two. Intel Corp said it will spend $3.5 billion to upgrade its chip factory in New Mexico, part of Chief Executive Officer Pat Gelsinger's push to revitalize its manufacturing.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The U.S. factory orders will be released at 1400 GMT, the U.S. Redbook Index at 1255 GMT, Finland's unemployment rate at 500 GMT. The U.K.'s market manufacturing PMI will be released at 830 GMT. Australia's trade balance at 1:30 GMT, Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 4:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.